What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Spell token, which has dipped down 13% in the last 24 hours, which is not looking too great. As you guys can see, major drops in value. So we'll be going through what is next for Spell token. Again, majority of the crypto market is on the red side today, including Bitcoin dropping down to $98,000. Ethereum is down nearly 7% at $3,000. However, Spell token has been dipping in value over the last couple of days, as you guys can see here. Even though it is down 7% up over the last week, overall over the last 2 to 3 days it is down majorly. So we'll be going through what is next for Spell token for the rest of February, especially going into next week. Is it likely to drop down further and then pump back up? Is it just going to drop? Essentially looking at, is it worth buying the dip, selling it, or simply holding on to it? But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And guys, my trading guide is now out. I spent hours making it, so if you guys do want to check it out, link is in the description box down below. 50% off for the first 100 users. So back to Spell token, we can see here that it did pump out of the Bollinger Band, the upper level here. When it was doing that, I did say do predict a price correction to take place so that it comes down closer to the blue line, which is just about here, and that is essentially where it is at the moment. The dip in value is not over yet. It is likely to hit more red candles later on the day today, dropping below the blue line here, which is the average level according to the Bollinger Band. So I'm predicting Spell token early next week to be hovering in the lower half here. So to do that, it needs to hit a few more red candles before essentially going back up in value in the second week of February. So not next week, but the week after that. If we bring out the RSI at the bottom, it is currently at 61.19 and 51.99. Again, the yellow value is again not too high, but it is on the higher end than the average. So again, that is another reason why I'm predicting it to dip down a little bit further down before it slowly starts to increase in value going into the week after. And the double EMA on the side is giving us the average value of Spell token at 0.0014 cents. However, it is trading at 0.0012 cents in value. So zooming into the hourly chart, major drops, guys. As you guys can see, consistently hitting red candles earlier this morning, and it is still on, well, yesterday and this morning as well. So since its highest value, which was earlier on the 28th of January, about a few days ago, all the way up until now, it has lost huge 41% in a space of about 3 to 4 days, which is not too great. However, it balances out because prior to that, if we look at the 23rd of Jan, all the way up until its highest level, it did gain a massive 150%, and a price correction was necessary, and that is exactly what's happening right now. So let's bring out the MACD indicator on the hourly chart. We can see, yes, the MACD line is trading over the signal line, which is good. However, it is looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. So that indicates bearish movement from Spell token over the next couple of hours towards the end of the day today and in the early hours of tomorrow, dropping further down to where it is at the moment. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart here, now we can clearly see that the MACD line is trading below the signal line and is looking quite bearish, meaning more drops in value are predicted from Spell token going into next week. Mid to end of next week, more red candles are predicted. Of course, we're gonna have to expect a few green candles in between, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the negative side. Zooming out to the daily chart, it is looking very skeptical. Even though it is trading over the signal line, it is looking very bearish, very steep, heading towards a negative direction. So more drops in value are predicted over the long term. However, it is quite biased because of the dip that's taking place. Going into late February, March, April, June, I am predicting an overall major increase in value from Spell token, heading closer to 0.003 to 0.0035 cents in value is where I'm predicting Spell token to be trading at by late March and early April, and potentially heading closer to half a cent heading into May, June, July. But as predicted or as expected, I will let you guys know or keep you guys keep you guys updated on a daily basis regarding Spell token. So if you guys want to stay in the loop, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume is down 15% in the last 24 hours at just below $80 million. Over the month, the crypto is still up 50% even after the major dip that's taken place, and that's how much value it has gained over the last 3 to 4 weeks, guys. But as expected, more red candles and then followed by green candles going into late February. Let me know your thoughts on this dip right now that's happening, not just for Spell token but the crypto market in general. What is happening next? What is next? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.